Hi Weber fans, so today what we're going to be doing is making triple play chicken on the Baby Q. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, for those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content and the contemplate showing support, by slapping that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so as I said in today's video, what we're going to be doing is triple play chicken. Now this is chicken with a bit of seasoning on there, so a bit of rub, and we're going to be making a sauce for it as well. And now you can do this on the Q, you can do it on the Genesis, you can even do it on the Weber kettle. All you need is a medium heat, and you need a direct and indirect cooking system. Now don't forget, everything used in the video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipe will be down there as well. And as I mentioned in the previous video, there will be a link down there for the Weber enthusiast merchandise that I've launched, so make sure you check that out. So what we'll do is jump straight to it. Right, so first, before we start, we're going to want to make our rub. We'll grab the ingredients and get it all mixed. Right, so for our rub, I'm going to be using one of these bowls, and there will be a link in the description below for the best place to get them from. They are really, really cool. Now, what you need is some smoked paprika. You're going to need one lemon, so you need the rind of one lemon. Don't throw the lemon away because we're going to need the juice from it for the sauce. You're going to need some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some sea salt. So what we'll do is start making the rub. Right, so again, I'm using these bowls, and I will put a link in the description below for the best place to get them of everything I used today. Right, so first with our rub, we've got 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, the rind of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And what we'll do now is just mix this up. And now that's mixed, ready to go on our chicken. So now we've finished making our rub, we've got in that container. The next process we're going to do is we're going to jump in and start making the sauce before we start preparing our chicken. So what we'll do is we'll grab the ingredients. Right, so to start making our sauce, we're going to have to fry off the garlic and the onion. Now I'm going to do it inside today purely because it's quite windy and you won't be able to hear me. But you can use QWare pan on your normal stove, it's not an issue. So we're going to fry it off for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients and mix it up and make it simmer for around 15 minutes to get a nice thick sauce. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Once that's set to a medium heat, so we're just going to put in our 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're just going to fry that off over a medium heat. Right, so now it's starting to brown. we're going to add the rest of our sauce ingredients. Got 8 ounces or a cup of tomato sauce. Got 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Got 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 ounces of brown sugar, and 125 ml of a carbonated lemon drink. This purpose I'm using Solo, and we'll just mix all that round. So we're going to turn that down to a low heat. I haven't got a proper lid, so I'll use this one. So we can let that simmer now for around 15 minutes. Right, so today we're going to be using 4 chicken whole legs. So what we'll do is just grab those and start preparing them. We've got 4 chicken legs whole, and what we're going to do is separate them at the thigh. So we're literally going to cut through the thigh and the leg. Right, so while that queue's preheating, we're just going to season these with our rub that we made, and then we're going to leave them at room temperature for about 10 minutes just while that queue's preheating. Right, so our queue's been heating for around 10 minutes on that preheat on high. What we're going to do is turn it down to a medium heat, and then we're going to get this chicken on for around 8 minutes before switching it to the indirect cooking system. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Right, so they're the right temperature, so it's ready to get these off. And we'll just temp those. Let them rest for 10 minutes. Right, so this has been resting for 10 minutes. So I'll get them plated up and then do a taste test. Absolutely beautiful. That chicken's really moist. You can taste a lot of the tomato sauce in there. You can taste the paprika, the garlic, and the onion as well. Absolutely beautiful. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope you found it really informative. Now don't forget the recipe is in the description below, and the best place to get your Weber products is linked down there as well. So as you can see, it's a really simple dish. As long as you've got that direct cooking system and then being able to switch it to an indirect cooking system, you've got a fantastic way of cooking that chicken. And as you saw, the sauce worked out superb. I didn't show pouring it over it, but I did pour it over, and you see when I tasted it, it actually tastes beautiful. There's plenty of sauce there to go around those 4 chicken pieces. So if you've got a bigger family, obviously just double the amount of chicken and the amount of sauce you're gonna make. It goes superb with that chicken, and it goes superb with the chips or whatever you're gonna put with it. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Right, so as says heading to that. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that. If you think you're using the video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipe will be down there as well. So make sure you check those out.